Welcome to Boss Custom Renovation and Review. Today we're going to have an ultra quick look at the mechanics of how to properly install a floating vinyl plank flooring in your basement. Now, installation manuals are great, but sometimes seeing somebody do something can make all the difference, and this stuff can be a little bit tricky. So the product that we're working with here today is from the Home Depot. It's from the Home Decorators collection. Now, it's a solid core vinyl plank flooring, 5mm. The color is gray fig. Nice color in my opinion. It's waterproof and it goes together quite nicely. It's a little tricky to install, so we'll get into just how to put it together. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is build yourself a proper installation block. Now this is just made out of 3/4 inch oak. It's about 1 3/4 inches wide, and I've just ripped a little rabbet on the table saw. You want this to be around 1/4 inch, 3/16 of an inch, and you want it to be about 1/8 of an inch in depth here. Now what that allows is for it to fit onto the piece here, just like this. Because you don't want to be smacking this stuff on this edge here. It's pretty strong, but it's going to crack if you keep hammering on there, and then the pieces will never fit together properly. So what you're going to want to do is grab this piece here with 2 hands. Get it sitting on the edge here so that it's sliding nice, it's in the groove. And just slide it down until it butts into the end piece. And as you drop this down, just keep the pressure coming this way. Otherwise it's going to want to pull apart. So keep the pressure coming that way. And then what I like to do is just tap this little end piece very gently with my hammer. You're not fitting this together, you're just kind of tapping it so that it's not going to want to come apart as you smack this little edge together. So you can see it's fitting pretty good, but there's little gaps here and a gap along here, and that's where the tapping block comes in. So just give that a little tap, and you'll see the little gap just snap together. It's good in the middle, and then a little tap on the end here. Yeah, that's perfect. Maybe a little one right here. And now you come back to this seam here and you want to just tap that together. And that's feeling perfect. And if there's a little edge here, you can take your hammer and just gently tap that together. And if you find that you've got this thing snapped into place and there's a little bit of a gap still here, you can take this block on the end and just give it a little tap together, and that'll solve any gaps that you might have there. And yeah, this is feeling quite nice. A little sticking up right there. That's perfect. One other thing I would mention is it's very important to pay attention to this little detail in the installation process of the 1/4 inch shims that you need to keep this thing away from the wall. And what that does is it holds the floor in place. As you're tapping it together, it's going to want to shift. So take your time and get the shims in properly, and it'll make a big difference as you're going along. Well, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions at all, just leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.